Hi, and welcome to How Foundation's Roadmap Prioritization works. The most powerful part of roadmaps is the dynamic prioritization and sequencing algorithm with 100 plus different logic combinations and outcomes. Any change you make to your user outcomes against competitive dynamics, user adoption, and level of effort can and likely will lead to different placement and recommendations on the roadmap. Let's walk through one example that we are considering building for our roadmap foundation. As you can see, I'm on my home screen. I'm going now into my Q3 roadmap. I'm going to edit my roadmap. These are all my features that I've already uploaded in here. And this is the user outcome we're going to focus on unlocking today. User can seamlessly take external data into consideration while sequencing and prioritizing development and research. You can see I have my 9 features that I know I need to develop to unlock this user outcome. So next we're going to move into scoring. And the first thing we're going to score against is whether users are looking to achieve this outcome today. And the answer is yes. Everyone we're working with and all of our friends and colleagues who are building products are taking external data into consideration, but the way they're doing it is all over the map. So we would call that a self-created solution or hack. And you can see here we've put some of these in here. Data's coming from Crunchbase, Google Sheets, usertesting.com, SurveyMonkey, and Google Sheets is usually where this work is being analyzed. Next, we're going into customer adoption. And again, we're very confident here. We know this is a need that we're seeing across our customer base. And we're very confident that more than 50%, but less than 90% of our users would look to adopt a solution to help them integrate external data into their road mapping process. So next we're going to move forward with how hard is this to build. So this is a pretty hard problem to solve, but we've already been researching data sets here. So we're pretty confident that in 8 weeks we can find the right data set, test its value, integrate it into the product, and deliver this user outcome in 8 weeks with the 9 features. So what does this do to our roadmap? So you can see, here's the user outcome. It's in the green, which means move forward with development. And the recommendation here is good space, good solution, but speed up. And this means if you have a validated user need, just build it faster. See if you can do it faster than 8 weeks. Here's a recap of the logic. We said people were hacking today, 75% would adopt, and it was going to take 8 weeks to build. And these are the 9 features that we would need to build to execute against this successfully. But we realized when we started scoping this work that we had made an error in judgment. And we had assumed that the solution that we're building is a solution that users definitely want to use and adopt. And really what we had validated was the need, not the solution. So we decided to go back and reprioritize customer adoption, taking it down from 75% to below 50%, because we really haven't done this work yet. And with just this one change, let's see what happens to the roadmap. Now we've moved from green to pink. Pink is our research area. And the recommendation changes from develop to don't develop and instead do more research. We call this recommendation good space, bad solution. And maybe a nicer way to say it is that you have problem market fit, but not yet product market fit. So we're going to do more customer research here, more discovery, and make sure that we really understand how people want to solve this problem before developing. And the only thing we've changed is we've gone from 75% expected adoption down to 25%. But in this hypothetical situation, let's pretend that we've now seen a new tool come out on Product Hunt called Best User Market Research and Customer Discovery Product Ever. And we've also heard from 10 of our clients and friends in the market that they're using this product and they're really happy with it. So now we would rethink how people are solving this problem today, and we would say there's a single product or service, which is the new best product, and people are no longer hacking. So what does this do to our roadmap? Well, now we're down here in the don't build area. And why shouldn't we build? Well, people don't want this. Only 25% of people want it. The market's now too competitive, and we're behind the ball. We're 8 weeks away from even having a solution that we could validate if people want it. However, because we're good product people and builders, we'd already started doing our user validation, and we actually did validate that 50% of users did want this product. And we decided that we could cut down development and deliver this user outcome in 6 weeks as opposed to 8 weeks. And what that does to our prioritization is it puts us back in the green for development. We focus on executing and differentiation and taking this product to market.